My name's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking for a great antioxidant, something to help maybe with inflammation? I found quercetin to be so helpful and beneficial. I love this one by Sandhu. This has 1,000 milligrams per serving. It's also known as Japanese sophora flower bud extract, and it's all natural. I love taking this as an antihistamine because I don't have any horrible side effects, but it helps reduce the redness in my eyes, and it helps with overall allergies. This is very great, the bioflavonoid, for your immune health, and it really does a great job of helping with the respiratory health. And I like that, especially after the COVID era, where we started thinking more about our respiratory. And also it's great for oxidative stress and the inflammation that you get just throughout the day when you have a lot of stress. This is overall just such a great antioxidant, and it just has done a wonderful job of making me feel overall healthy. This quercetin here is easy to take, and it doesn't have any funky aftertaste, or even sometimes I taste a vitamin in my stomach and I don't taste that while I'm using this. I love this so much, and that's my point of view.